How to get 75% off Etsy coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Etsy coupon code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Etsy. Once you're on this website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 50% off, 70% off, 65% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on redeem at Etsy. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase and check out. In the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're gonna get the discount on your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Etsy. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. You can also check out other website, as other website will also provide you tons of offers and deals for Etsy. So this way you can easily get up to 75% off Etsy coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.